Everyone, I hope you're all doing well and are all ready to welcome 2021 and going to say bye bye to 2020. So, on this occasion, I just thought of sharing a fact with you all. Now, if you take a life is full of changes, right? Every moment we are going through changes. Now, last year especially has been an year of massive changes, literally in all aspects of our life. Whether you name education wise, career wise, financially, health wise, everywhere there has been drastic changes. Now, the interesting thing is, every beginning of the year, we aspire for a change or changes. Now, this aspiration is what we call resolutions. Now, I have been talking to many of my friends about resolutions, okay, what you're going to do this year. And many of them told Subish, forget about resolutions, it's not going to work. I have been trying for the last few years, but no, nothing is going to work. So, this year, there are no resolutions. So, based on this, I just thought of doing a research on how we can make massive, impactful change, really permanent change. So, I came across this fact called change cycle. Yes, it's called change cycle. So, what does it mean? Now, let's say you have a resolution or a change. We name it as a result. It's a result, right? So, this is the final point where we want to reach. So, we start for this one, we start with a thought. So, thought, and then we have an emotion, and then we have an action, and then finally into result. So, this is something called the change cycle, and it has to be repeated in the same loop. Now, let me give you an example. Now, let's say your resolution for this year is to get up at 5 o'clock, let's say. So, this is the thought. So, now we have to add an emotion to it. Let's say you feel you will be peaceful when you achieve this result of getting up early in the morning, or you may be relaxed that you have an entire day in front of you. You may be happy. So, any emotion you need to link to this result, and then action. You set up an alarm, and of course, you need to wake up also. So, once you do all this, you get the result, and this loop, if you do it regularly, it becomes a habit and the resolution becomes permanent. It's as simple as that actually. But unfortunately, what is happening is we may miss some link here or there. So let's say you say, okay, I want to get up at 5 o'clock, and then you put the alarm and you go to the result. But this will not last because you have not linked an emotion to this process. Similarly, if you just have a thought and an emotion and no action, then also you will not get results. So this is as simple as that. If you practice this change cycle, you can achieve any of your resolutions. Believe me. So I hope this year you have some wonderful resolutions and you follow this change principle and have a great year. Wishing you once again a healthier and a happier New Year 2021. Thank you.